of you must have seen this amazing makeup artist who is guiding how to cover this much black under eyes. But I'm the one who is having the curiosity to try this on myself. So let's do it. Now this is how dark under eyes looks like. So guys, according to his guidance, he said that we have to use a red lipstick. So here I'm using Parul Garg's red lipstick in the shade Poppy. And we are going to apply it like this. Now I'm going to blend it with the brush. Okay.
Let's see.
I'm looking like a zombie. Second step, he said that we have to use an orange corrector. Right now I'm using Shopwell's corrector and concealer palette. And from this palette, I'm going to use this orange. Okay. I'm trying to use as less product as I can because I don't want any kind of creases at my under eyes. Now he said that we have to use a setting powder. So right now I'm using Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Taking a little bit product, removing the excess, gently setting the product. Now we are going to use NARS concealer, which is 4 times lighter than my skin tone. I'm going to apply it like in this area. Okay, I think this can work this time. Let's blend it out. Then he said we have to leave it for like 1 minute, but I am the one who is going to leave it like for 2 minutes because I don't think 1 minute is going to be enough for this. Right now I'm using Too Faced foundation in the shade Bomb Bridge. Applying a thin layer of the foundation. It's almost done, but a little bit, a very little bit I can see pinkish tone here at my under eyes, but it's almost done. Locking my full face with this except the area of the under eye. Okay. You also may be thinking that there is a pinkish tone visible right at my under eyes. So wait a minute, I'm going to fix it, but let me finish my eye makeup first.
So guys, that pinkish tone was not going anywhere. So I have to use Charlotte Tilbury's finishing powder in the shade 2 medium. I'm using it at the places of concealer.
Okay.
And now you can see no pinkish tone is visible. So guys, my makeup is almost done and I literally love the technique because my dark circles are literally gone. They are not visible at all. And let me show you final time that what products I have used for coverage. Again, okay, so firstly I have used Parul Garg lipstick, red lipstick in the shade Poppy. Secondly, I have used Shopwell concealer palette. Thirdly, I have used NARS concealer in the shade Vanilla. And then fourth product, which is not mentioned but still I have used because pinkish tone was visible after the coverage, after doing my makeup. I have used this Charlotte Tilbury finishing powder in the shade 2 medium. Okay, so yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you liked it and I literally enjoyed today's makeup. Thank you so much. Bye bye.